What's going on, guys? It's Steven. I'm back here with the good old F-150. We're gonna be doing an install video on these AVS low profile vent visors. Let's get into it. All right, guys, as I said before, these AVS vent visors, I'm gonna be putting on my 2016 F-150 Super Crew Cab. I ended up going with the low profile stick-ons. These are color matched to my truck. I wanted vent visors since I got the truck. Couldn't decide if I wanted to go with the in-channel plastic ones, the stick-on plastic ones. And I ran across these low profile ones, but I was kind of leery about stick-ons, and I really like the way these look, but I was worried about obviously stick-ons coming loose and falling off and such. So I've been running this AVS like bug guard thing since, I don't know, probably over a year now. Pretty early on in getting the truck because I had some scuff marks where the original bug guard was, so I wanted to cover those up. And this thing has held up fantastic. It's double-sided tape, stick on. Haven't had any issues out of it, so that kind of gives me faith that these are going to do a good job as well. So let's get to cleaning and prepping this stuff up, getting these things out of the package, and getting them put on the truck. All right, guys, I got everything out of the package here. Looking at these things, pretty straightforward, obviously, how these things work. But if you look on the front here, it's kind of like divoted in. Looks like that little piece is going to tuck behind the little mirror trim there. So I'm going to kind of get that going. And then there's on the back side, obviously, there's double-sided tape the full length. And then a little stick here that'll help hold the bottom side of it. But it's going to kind of be positioned like so. It's really good color match. Don't mind the truck. The truck's pretty dirty too. It did come with alcohol pads. So it came with 4 alcohol pads, kind of clean the surface, prep the surface before we do this. So I guess let's just get into it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. So like I said, I already kind of stuck this up here, seeing where it's going to lay. Take one of these alcohol pads, kind of wipe down where it's going to be. I am cleaning the painted part, not the rubber seal here. So it's going to mount to the painted part. Go ahead and start peeling this a little bit. You're going to want to kind of leave it up like that, so then that way whenever it's up, you can grab it, peel it off. I'm going to go ahead and take this little foam piece, take that one off, and do the same thing with this. I'm going to kind of prep the corner, peel it up so it's ready to peel off. So let's, first things first, going to be tuck this corner in underneath the plastic, line it up, and then press it down. Lost my little piece here. So once you feel like it's in place, you start peeling and pressing. a nice firm press to make sure she's on there good. And then this thing has a little protective plastic on it. Go ahead and peel that sucker off. Look at that. Oh yeah, looks good. I like it. Nice. Got just for reference so you see the gap. All right. Now to try to figure out make sure the GoPro's kind of sitting right. Now to get the rear one, figure out its alignment. So this is, oh, they're marked. Okay, so that says right rear. So curved in is going to be on the back side of the truck, obviously. So this one's going to be this side. This one. This side, the back window doesn't have anywhere where it can tuck, so it just kind of sticks on. So this is going to be more guesswork on your alignment, lining it up. But just kind of like that. And on the front here, I'm just going to try to keep the gap even, like from the door here. There's like a 1/8 of an inch gap here. Probably going to go 1/8 of an inch, then this. So go ahead and peel stickers, double-sided tape, whatever, off here. And it's got 2 little corner pieces on this one. Just like that. And then same thing with this. Go ahead and kind of prep it. I mean, if you're really confident, you could just peel it all off and then just slap her on there. But if your adjustment is off, your alignment's off, you won't be able to fix it without messing up the double-sided tape. So there we go. I set it like that. Make sure that's up. Kind of eyeball your alignment again. And as far as the top goes, I'm just trying to keep the same kind of continuity there between the top of the seal and the top of the door. So I try to even out the gap there. So now, just to peel the tape and press it down. Make sure your bottom corners are pressed on good too. And then you can peel the protective tape off. Oh yeah, that's satisfying right there. All right, on this, I actually forgot to clean it, but it feels like it's stuck pretty good. You see that right there? There's a little bit of double-sided tape. I'm probably gonna take a razor to kind of cut it off. I'm gonna go ahead and shut off the camera, do the other side, maybe get some B-roll shots, but other than that, it's pretty good. It looks good. Looks good to me. Tell me what y'all think in the comments. I'm gonna have these on here for a while, probably do a review after a year or so, see if they've fallen off or yet or not, but I'm really digging it. I think they look really freaking good. But all right, guys, if you liked the video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Brian's gonna have our Instagram links down in the description as well. go ahead and check out the Instagram. Instagram's mainly my Mazda. Brian's, of course, his focus and all his other projects that he's got going on. So until next time.